Everyone, hope you all are doing well. In today's video, we will learn a small program that is like to search an element in an array along with its position. So this program consists like manually loop through the array using for loop here and checks each element to see if it is matches the target. So if the element is found, the position is stored and printed. If it is not found, it prints element not found. So in this program, it like doesn't use any helper methods or libraries for advanced operations. So only basic scanner for user input and simple array operations are used. So this is the easiest way to search an element in an array along with its position. So let's dive into in it. So I will give a line by line explanation. So import java.util that scanner. So this line import the scanner class from the java.util package. So the scanner class is used to read input from the user. Public class simple search element in array. So this declares a public class named simple search element in array. And in Java, every program must start with a class, must have a class. So yeah, public static void main string array args. So this is the entry point of the program. When the program is run, this method will be executed. It is defined as public static. So that it can be accessed without creating any instance of the class. And here scanner equal to new scanner of system.in. So here new scanner object named scanner here and it allows the program to read input from the keyboard like that is system.in. So here int array equal to 10 20 some upon like 880 up to 80. So this creates like an array of integers named array and initialized it with some values. This is the data we are going to search through and system.out.println of system.out.print enter the element to search here. So this line outputs the prompt enter the element to search to the console. So it tells the user what kind of input is expected, like that is an integer. So here int target equal to scanner.nextInt of. So here this line outputs from the enter element right. So to the console it tells the user what kind of input is expected. So the scanner.nextInt of here. So this method reads an integer and enter the user and assign it to the variable target, right? So this is the element we are searching for in the array. So this is the array, and here this is the element what user enter. So here variable to store the position here. Int position equal to -1. So we define an integer variable position here and initialize it with -1. So this variable will store the position of the element if it is found in the array. If the element is not found, it remains -1. So here we are using for loop here. So the for loop starts with I equal to 0 and continues as long as I is less than array dot length and I plus plus. So that is like it loops through each index in an array that we have mentioned previous. So here array dot length means gives the total number of elements in the array. So if array of I equal to target, so here we are using if. So inside the program checks if the current element array of I is equal to the target element. So if it is, the program enters the if block. So position equal to I plus 1 here. So if a match is found, like the position variable is updated to I plus 1, we use I plus 1 because the position should be reported as a one based index, right? One. So starting from 1 and not 0. So in the array, I is 0 based, right? So here we are using break, exit the loop once the element is found. So once the element is found, there is no need to continue searching, right? So that's why, so the break statement exits the loop immediately. So that's why we are using break statement here. Once the, like here, this closes the for loop. And if position is not equal to -1 here, so after the loop, the program checks if the position is different from -1, meaning the element was found. So if the element is found, it proceeds to print the position. System.out.println of element target found at position here. So if the element is found, this line prints the message with the element value and its position. So that is one based index here. Here else system.out.println of element target not found in the array here. So if the position is still -1, that is the element was not found, this block code is executed here, the else block here. So and the message like element not found in the array is printed here. Scanner.close off. So this line closes the scanner object to release any resources it was using. It is a good practice to close the scanner after you are done using it and avoiding memory leaks. So these two lines are like main method and the class simple search in element array. So closes the main and class. So yeah, this is the program. I will give you a brief summary over it. Like the program prompts the user here. The program prompts the user to input an integer and searches it in a predefined array that we have mentioned in the previous. And the second step is it loops through the array and compares each element to the input value here. So if the value is found, the program prints its position, that is one based index, right? That I have mentioned in previous. Otherwise, it prints a message saying that the element is not found. So the final one is scanner is closed. Like at the end to prevent resource leaks. So yeah, like that. First we will save the program and run the program. We'll see what the output is. So enter the element to search. So if I enter 40, so element found at position 4 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 here. This is the correct position, right? This is one based index, right? That's why it is showing the fourth position. Now again we'll run the program. At this time we will enter not in the array element. Like if I enter some 90, so it element 90 not found in the array here. It will show like that. I hope you liked it. Please share, like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.